Hi students, welcome to our mathematics class. In this class I am going to explain about multiplications of decimals. Here see, when a decimal number is given and multiply with 10, you no need to do anything, just shift the decimal one digit right. One digit right side you shift. When you multiply with 10, only one digit right side you shift. When you multiply with 100, the decimal shift to right 2 digits later. Yes, see 2 digits later. When you multiply with 100. When you multiply with 1000, the decimal shift to 3 digits after right. Decimal shift to right 3 digits after. So here only 2 digits are there. In case 2 digits are there, what to do? Then you need to shift it to 3 digits later. So take one more 0. You can take at the end of the decimals, you can take 0 if you want. So take 0 and then shift. Why you need to shift? Because you are multiplying with 1000. So multiply this decimal. When you are multiplying with 1000, the decimal should shift to right 3 digits later. So only 2 digits are there. Okay, one more 0 you can take and shift. Then it comes to 3 digits later. So towards right 3 digits, it shift to 3 digits after towards the right. So such a way, multiply with 10 1 digits right, multiply with 100 2 digits from original place, it shift to 2 digits later, and when multiply with 1000 it shift to 3 digits later. Such a way the decimals shift to right when you multiply with tens, hundreds, thousands, like that. Now these all are examples we can do in this exercise. Now one more question. You see, multiplications. In case multiplications are given 3456 multiply with 14, the result is given, multiplied and given, result is given directly. So then if first question 3.456 into 14, so without decimal, what is the result? Same result you will get here. Without decimal, result is given now. That when you multiply with the decimal also, you will get same result. But only decimals you have to place in this answer. Here before 3 digits decimal is here. Count from right to left. Right to left. 1, 2, 3. In answer also, place the decimal before 3 digits. Right to left. Count and place 3 digits before. Here before 3 digits decimal is there. Here also place before 3 digits. Similarly, result is same. Without decimal, whatever the result, same result you will get, though it is decimal is there. Result is same. Numbers are same. When you multiply, result is same. But only thing is, concentrating thing is decimal. Here before 1 digit, in answer also before 1 digit. In case the result is like this, then before 2 digits, in question before 2 digits decimal is there, in answer also before 2 digits decimal have to place. Multiply the numbers without decimal. You know this result is given already in question. So when you multiply without decimal, result is this. Now place the decimals. How to place the decimals? Before 2 digits decimal is there, in answer also before 2 digits. Count from right to left. Before 2 digits you have to place the decimal. Such a way decimal places you have to insert in the answers. Here also like that, same. Numbers are same, result is same. Without decimal, result is same. That means you can multiply without decimals directly. Forget about decimals and multiply, you will get result. In that result, how to place the decimals? Before how many digits decimal is there? Before 4 digits. Here also you have to place the decimal before 4 digits. You will get answer. Now next, if you take one more example, 3.4 into 4, just without forget about decimal and multiply. You know multiplications now. So multiply, you will get answer 136. Now look at about decimal before 1 digit. Here also before 1 digit. Count from right to left. count before one digit in question, in answer also before one digit place the decimal. Here before 2 digits multiply you will get answer this, and before 2 digits decimal is there. Here also in answer also you have to place before 2 digits decimal. Here also after multiplying you will get result this, before 3 digits decimal is there. In answer also before 3 digits decimal you have to place. Here multiply you will get answer, then before 2 digits decimal is there. In answer also place before 2 digits decimal. Here also see multiply, so multiply with 5 you will get this, multiply and leave one place, and multiply with 4 you will get this, and again leave two places, multiplications similarly. So same as normal multiplications, multiply normally without decimal, forget about decimal and multiply. Now first multiply with 5 and start with 4. When you are starting with 4 leave one place and multiply, and multiply this you will get a result. And next start with 2. When you are starting with 2 decimals, 2 places leave and multiply. This is normal multiplication, you know how to multiply the numbers. Now do with 2 you will get. So after multiplication is completed, then concentrate about think about decimals. Until then you forget about decimals. General normal multiplications you can do, and after getting result think about the decimals. Before 2 digits decimal is there. Here also in answer before 2 digits. That's all, simple. Only before 2 digits right to left, count right to left, not from left to right. Right to left you have to count. Before 2 digits decimal is there. In answer also before 2 digits decimal you have to place. Here also you will get answer like this. After multiplication is completed, answer you will get this. Without decimal you forget about decimal and multiply. Normal multiplication you do, and after completion of multiplication think about decimals. Now before 2 digits decimal is there. In answer also before 2 digits decimal. Right to count from right to left. Before 2 digits decimal is there. In answer also place before 2 digits. In case if the numbers are in decimals, both are decimal numbers. In case numbers are both decimals, here this is decimal, here also decimals, multiply as usually. Forget about decimals. You don't think about decimals and multiply as usually. Then in answer you have to consider the decimals. Before 1 digit here and before 2 digits, total before 3 digits, count before 1 digit here and before 3 digits, total how many? 2 plus 1, total before 3 digits decimal you have to place. You have to count total decimals 1, 2 and 3. Here t before 2 digits and before 1 digit, total how many? Before 3 digits. Like that you have to place. Now here you also see multiply you will get result here. Forget about decimals and multiply. General multiplication same numbers, no? So you will get same answer, but only decimals are different. Here see before 3 digits here and before 2 digits, total how many? Before 3 digits, before 2 digits, total before 5 digits place the decimal. Like that you have to place the decimals. Now here one more example. See, this result is given, multiplied and given result for us. Only thing adjusting is, what is the question here? Adjust the decimals as per the decimal numbers. Now in case decimal numbers are given, this numbers are same, result is same. So numbers are same, result will come same. Only thing is adjust the decimals is different. Here before 1 digit, before 2 digits how to place? Before 1 digit and before 1 digit, total how many? Before 2 digits decimal have to place. Now here also numbers are same, result is same. Only thing is difference in the decimals. Before 1 digit here before 2 digits, total how many digits? Before 3 digits you have to place the, here 1 digit and 2 digits, total 3 digits before 3 digits you have to place the decimal. Now next here also same number, result is same. Numbers are same, result is same. That means without decimals result is same. Now after getting the result think about the decimals. Think about decimals after getting the result. Forget about decimals and multiply, you will get an answer. After getting the result think about the decimals. Before 3 digits decimal is there and before 1 digit decimal is. Total how many? 3 plus 1, total before 4 digits you have to place the decimal. Such a way we can do the multiplications of decimal numbers. Thank you for watching.